What's up, little ducks, and welcome back to another episode of Saturdays with Spy Guy. So I just want to quickly review what happened last week. And last week, of course, we went up to an all-time high, and this was the box I drew for you guys. And of course, what happens every time we hit an all-time high, guys? We're going to come down. Why do we come down? It's because people are taking profits. So let's call out the obvious, guys. Of course, we had a nice little fall for the whole week. I'm talking about we went down all week. We never went up. There was no bull run. They didn't hide it, and it was an $11 drop. So the other obvious part is we only had 4 days of trading because of a holiday called New Year's Day. So now that that is over, guys, I expect some real nice moves from SPY. Let's go over it. Now, from the beginning of the week, you can clearly see that in the pre-market, okay, we just started falling, guys, okay, and it continued for the rest of the week. And you guys know that I love the 20-minute time frame. This is a great time frame to be trading in the market if you're going to day trade or if you're going to swing trade. If you guys took my courses, then you will see how easy it is to enter a swing on this time frame. So let's check it out. All right, so now I've moved over the box, guys, and you know I like to measure this out. So let's take the measure from the top where we had resistance, okay, and I'm going to mark that off for you guys so you can see at the top of this wick we had resistance, and that is something that you need to keep an eye on for the entire week when the market opens for the week. Now, there is a thing called WOP, W-O-P, weekly opening price, guys. And this is something that everybody does because you want to know where the market opened up so you can see if we went bearish or we went bullish. So here we started off bearish, guys, and let's measure this out. So the total drop on this sell signal, guys, okay, total drop for the day was $3.09. And I'm going to mark this off as a bear measurement. Okay, so then, guys, we had a bottom at about 12:30 p.m. and this is on Monday, okay, and then the market went up and up and up, and it went up a total of, let's call it $2.41, and I'm going to mark this as a bullish move for the market. So as you guys can clearly see, I have marked off the move, whether you bought 100 shares or you bought 2 contracts of SPY, guys. This is the money you would have made on each one of these moves. Now, we have a sell signal here. We have a buy signal here. So the sell signal tells me to short. The buy signal tells me to go long, guys. And I know some of you guys have been asking me what indicator is that. This is called the dominator, guys. And I'll leave you a link below in case you guys want to use this indicator. Come check it out. It works wonders. Okay, so now for the rest of the week, guys, okay, we look like we were just going to chop across. And if you stretch out your screen, guys, you're going to get a better idea of what is going on with the market. So you can see here we had resistance, guys. And then, of course, we had another sell signal, and we went down $2.15 there, guys. And then, of course, the market started going up again, and they went up a total of $2.04. So, of course, this would have been $208. That would have been $204, guys. And we are talking $412 on Tuesday. Now, the market started chopping for the rest of the day. And, of course, since we have no signal, we are not trading in the market. And this is my rule, guys. Until I see this happening right here, guys, okay, I do not have a trade, and that's exactly what I did. And of course, when I got my signal, this was easy peasy entry for me, guys. And you can see that the market went down a total of $3.58. And again, if you bought a couple of contracts, you would have made $358. If you shorted 100 shares, you would have made $358. Now, next signal was here, guys. Check it out. And this was Wednesday, 12:10 p.m., guys. And the market didn't go up too much, but it did go up $1.56. Again, that's $156, guys. Okay, so now we have an amazing entry. Okay, here on Wednesday when everybody thought that it's over, the market is not going to do anything anymore. What did we get, guys? We got a nice Christmas present and New Year's Eve, and the market just started selling off, guys, and we went down all the way to $4.22. And this was 3:50 p.m. on Wednesday, guys. And of course, the next day was a holiday. And here you go. Look at that. $4.22, guys. And this took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that was a total of a little bit more than an hour. Okay, guys, maybe 2 hours. And you would have made some nice cash there, guys. Okay, it's important to have an amazing system, guys, and it's important to have an indicator that can guide you and let you know when to enter and when to exit, guys. I don't care what indicator you guys use. Make sure you guys have some guidance system. Okay, I know you drive your car and you have guidance systems on the dashboard that tell you exactly how everything is going. So you should do the same in the stock market, guys. Okay, now the rest of the week, guys, okay, we opened up on Friday and we hit a top, and I'm going to make this nice and clear for you guys. So give me a now. I want to show you what happened on Friday, guys. This is Friday here. And of course we had resistance right up in there. Okay. And this goes hand in hand, guys, with the resistance we had the day before. So that showed me that the market makers were not ready to take SPY back to the top for an all-time high, and that's fine. And I'm going to show you guys something that you probably don't look at so you can understand if SPY is still going down or is SPY going to reverse. So for now, they came here. So I knew right here, guys, that we were going to short. So I entered a short with SPY and Tesla as well, guys. And I posted those results on social media. So now we had a nice fall, and we come over here, guys, and we go from the top all the way to the very bottom where SPY ended up. And you can see that was a nice $7 drop, which is the ATR for SPY. And that is very normal. So the total drop here, guys, was again $6.99. And now from this buy signal, we started to go up, guys. And then we had another nice little run. If you caught that, I did not catch that run, guys, because I was done trading for the day. But if you guys did, that was an awesome move as well. Higher than the previous days, guys. $7 and then $4 here, guys. So you had a total of $11+ of moves for the day. And of course, this is the most important part here, guys. Where is the resistance with SPY? Where is it going next? Now, if you decided, hey, I'm going to trade till the last minute, guys, okay, I get it. And you went off the sell signal because you owned the dominator. And you say, I'm going to catch this last move. You caught $1.36. Now let's take a look at the big picture, guys. And I'm going to mark this off. And hopefully you guys are learning a few tips and tricks on charting, guys. And I'm going to coach you up here a little bit. So what I would do if I was starting out, okay, I would create templates like the ones I have down here. And I just mark off my resistance. And the template is saved to what I need. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to run this across, guys, because I want to show you the big picture on SPY. And of course, we had another major resistance in there. And then now you guys can see that they had another resistance area in there. So now that we know this, guys, okay, and we can even mark this top off, but I think that's the obvious. So now if I come over to the daily time frame, guys, you can see where those resistance areas are at. And if you're going to be a professional trader, guys, you want to mark off those areas so that you can identify during the week, okay, the actual price where the actual resistance was at. So now that I've put these lines on there, guys, okay, it's really simple for you to just come over, okay, and glance over to the side, guys, and you'll be able to see on each line, you'll be able to see your actual price resistance area for each one of these SPY resistance lines, guys. Okay. So when Monday comes, these are going to be super important because you need to know where is SPY going next, guys. And I am going to break it down for you here. If you've hung out this long, guys, I am going to give you the nitty gritty that is about to happen with SPY, guys. So let's get into it. Okay, so I've gone ahead, guys, and I've marked off the resistance area for SPY the last 5 times. So what we have here is not just any resistance areas, guys. It's when it got to a top, and then it started coming down. And what I look for, and this is why I do Saturdays with SPY, is I want to see from the very top, how long did it take for it to go down? How long did it stay down before it started to come back up, guys? Okay, so I've gone ahead and marked off the last 5 times that SPY took a dip, guys. And what I look at here is this label, guys. So this label has information. You can add more information to it in the settings, but I just like to see how much did it go down and how long before it found a bottom. So here it was a 4-day drop, guys. You can see it was a $21 drop. And the next one, of course, was $27. And that took a total of 9 days, guys. Then we had another 9-day drop for $33. And the one before the one we have today, it was $18, guys, for 6 days. Okay. So now we already started and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of drops, guys. Okay. So let's just take this and we're going to stretch it out. And we're going to go down $33, which has been the biggest drop so far in SPY. And you can see where I'm going with this, guys. It is looking like if we have another 9-day drop, guys, for $33.64, okay, this is going to be a drop that takes, wow, that's a Friday and a Saturday. So that's why it's jumping to 10 days, guys. Okay. So I'm going to take this, guys, and I'm going to say, okay, so if we drop from here all the way down here to 33, guys, in 9 days, okay, that is Monday, January 5th, guys. Okay, and so now we have something that I love to see because this took 9 days, guys, and they just dropped. They didn't care. Same thing here. They try to fight it up here, but then they just went down. Here, they're finding support. And what tells me that they're finding support, guys? Well, we are not going to have this drop, okay? Everything is showing that we're going to go up. And so what I think is we're going to have one of the lower averages, which could be like an 18-day drop, guys. And even though it took 7 days, okay, it matches up with the 4-day or the 6-day here that we had in the past, which puts us around the $20 level. But it looks like they're going to stay here, guys. And this is going to be about a $12 drop. Now, if they come up, guys, and they resist, okay, and they come back down, just know that an $18 to $20 drop is going to take us to around 670 area. And that is fine. Okay, team. So now I've taken off all the noise from the chart. And I'm going to show you from this point, guys, at 683, where SPY currently sits at. Our bullish scenario is going to be 701, guys. Okay, so I'm going to mark this off and we'll put it right in here. And our bearish scenario is going to be 672, 670 area, guys. And right now we think, okay, that we are going to continue to go up, guys, and that might be the case. Now, again, everything that happens in the stock market, guys, will happen because market makers want it to happen. So If you want to know targets on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then click on the link below, guys. I'm going to show you how we get there, and I'm going to give you a small teaser. If you sign up to the Bullring, guys, I'm going to give you the targets, but I will give you a clue here. We marked off our resistance, guys, and we are at 683 right now. Our resistance was at 684. So this could happen, okay, on Monday, guys. Okay, they could hit 684 again and then continue to fall, and we will see that happening for the week. Now, if that doesn't happen, guys, and they come up, you're going to see them retest at 684 and continue up. Now, you have resistance at 686, you have resistance at 688, and this can happen as well, guys, where they just continue to go down, or they can just retest throughout the week, guys, and they're going to just continue to go up, eventually heading towards our bullish scenario, which would be 700. If not, we're going to be looking at 672. Do you want to know what I think is going to happen, guys? I know exactly where we're going to go. Link below, guys. Join the Bullring. You will have a chart and a live trading session with me, and I will tell you Monday morning what's going to happen with SPY, guys. See you on the next video.